We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can stop emergency call from power button in Oppo. So in order to prevent the whatever shortcut gesture is set on your particular Oppo smartphone unlink it from the power key and make it and prevent it from launching the SOS call or emergency call, you will need to launch settings, then enter the safety and emergency category, and in here make sure to turn off those two toggles that says quickly access emergency call page and emergency SOS. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.